Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Sonos Playbar that is not connecting to Wi-Fi using the most effective methods. So first of all, you need to make sure that your Sonos S2 application, if your Playbar supports it. So then you need to connect your phone to the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Now, if you have recently changed your Wi-Fi name and the passwords, you just have to simply open the Sonos application. Then you just have to go to the settings. Then you need to look for the option of network. Now, inside it, you need to update your Wi-Fi credentials. If the play bar appears as not connected, then you need to choose the option of update networks and follow the prompts. Now, if your play bar isn't detected at all, you can temporarily connect it to the router with an Ethernet cable. Once the Sonos application recognizes the speaker, you need to allow it to update its network settings. And after the setup is complete, you can just simply disconnect the Ethernet cable if you want to use the Wi-Fi again. Now you can also check the wireless interface. Just keep the play bar away from the codeless phones, wireless ovens and other routers operating on the same Wi-Fi channel. If you have multiple Sonos speakers, changing the Sonos net channel in the app can also improve the connection. So you can try these easy fixes and keep these simple things in mind in order to basically connect it to Wi-Fi. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.